Welcome to Cultivated, the podcast where sustainable landscapes meet smart solutions. I'm Eric Behunin, founder of Horticultural Group, and today we're diving into how cemeteries across America can modernize their operations with automation while honoring the sacred nature of the spaces they maintain. If you're a cemetery director, a city facility manager, or someone involved in religious groundskeeping, this episode is for you. Let's be honest, cemeteries face some of the toughest grounds maintenance challenges out there. Narrow rows and monuments that can't be bumped, sensitivity to noise, especially during services, shrinking labor pools, and rising costs, and the expectation that everything always looks pristine. But most cemeteries are still relying on outdated workflows, gas-powered equipment, unpredictable schedules, and short-staffed teams. That's where automation comes in. At Horticultural Group, we've created a national consulting program built specifically for cemeteries to help transition them into a future that's clean, quiet, efficient, and cost-effective. We call it the Modern Groundskeeping Framework. It's a 6-phase system designed to guide a cemetery from manual maintenance to a fully automated, sustainable operation while retaining and retraining the crew already in place. Let me walk you through it. First, we visit the site and perform a full modernization readiness audit. We look at the topography, burial layout, your current equipment and labor hours, and even factors like noise tolerance and fuel usage. The goal here is to identify where automation will make the biggest impact and where traditional labor still plays a critical role. Next, we create a smart cemetery blueprint. This includes robotic mower maps, dock station placement, role transitions for staff, irrigation, and battery equipment planning. We also prepare a board-ready report that justifies the investment with long-term ROI projections, labor savings, and sustainability metrics. Here's the part I'm most proud of. We train your existing staff. No layoffs. We transition them into higher skill roles, what we call automation groundskeepers. We teach them how to operate and maintain the robotic mowers, interact with the public, and handle the new tools safely and confidently. Every robotic mower installation is done by our certified team. We don't just drop off hardware. We ensure docking stations are correctly placed, mapping is accurate, signal strength is clean, and everything works right from day one. We even offer our new pyramid charging station and secure house, a solar-powered, weatherproof structure that protects your investment and integrates beautifully into the landscape. Once installed, we stick around. Our team provides 72-hour oversight to ensure everything is working. We monitor performance, adjust coverage zones, and coach the crew in real time. We want to see 95% plus performance uptime right out of the gate. Finally, we support you beyond the install. With a 90-day groundskeeping coach package, we help with remote diagnostics, usage reports, app updates, and annual training refreshers. We want your system to scale over time, adding more units, expanding to new sections, or even consulting on new cemetery construction. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but we've made the pricing clear and scalable. We also have optional add-ons like burial map integration, battery toolkits, and the pyramid station. For larger cemetery networks or religious institutions, we build custom multi-site programs to centralize training and reduce duplication. We've already piloted this in Taylorsville, Utah, with incredible results. Crews love the upgrade. They're proud of the technology. Visitors appreciate the quiet, and maintenance costs are being flattened year over year. This isn't about replacing tradition. It's about honoring it while giving the grounds team the tools they need to succeed in 2025 and beyond. So, if you manage a cemetery or know someone who does, send me a message. Visit hortgroup.com and schedule a consultation. We'll walk your property, show you what's possible, and help you build a plan that makes sense for your budget and your mission. Because sacred spaces deserve smart care. Thanks for joining me. I'm Eric Behunin. Stay smart, stay sustainable, and keep it cultivated.